Hey, happy Monday. Let's talk about the easiest part of pond maintenance, which is just add water. When the weather is hot, and honestly, even when the weather is normal, every day you're going to want to look at your water features. A water feature, if it's a container pond, a fountain pit, an in-ground system, whatever you've got. If you don't have something set up to naturally top it up with rainwater, you will lose some water, whether or not you've got birds coming in to bathe, just natural evaporation from heat and wind. This pond gets a bit of both. You get a lot of sun on the one side, and then I know I've got pretty much every red-breasted robin in the neighborhood coming through to have a spa day in here. So every couple of days, I make sure to top this right back up to the bricks. And this just makes sure that the fish and the plants have full volume. And actually the plants, I didn't even think of that. Some horticulturist I am. The plants are using up some of this water as well. So since they are acting as natural biofiltration, and they are also plants, as they are exposed to water and nutrition, they are growing more foliage. So some of this water is actually being converted into more plant life. So that is a pretty great reason to have lost some gallons of water or some liters of water from this pond. We're in Canada, so we're supposed to measure in metric, but being in Windsor, Ontario, right across from Detroit, Michigan, here being a border town, we tend to Americanize our weather, how we speak about the degrees outside. Like I can tell you today it is 98 degrees to 100 absolutely Fahrenheit, or 31 degrees, Celsius. So we get the best of the both worlds here, and this is all you have to do. So really, if you have a pond, either grab your rainwater source and get that in there, or grab your tap water and get that in here. Now, if you are refilling with tap water, I can put this up as a separate post, but water conditioner. You are going to want a dechlorinating product, depending on the type of fish and plants you have as well. Especially if you're refilling more than, I'm going to say 30%, like a third of the water or more, you're really going to want to treat what you're putting in there, because our tap water is treated. So it is going to have chlorine, different metals, different minerals that may not necessarily work for your aquatic life. So typically what I do is I fill, and then I go and I grab that bottle and drop in my capsules. So what I'll do is I'll do a separate video as I grab that bottle, or I'll edit that onto here, and I'll show you the next easy part of topping up the water in your pond. Just a little bit of water. That's probably almost about a gallon. And just like that, the water is conditioned and dechlorinated. Okay, and here's Tim the frog. He says it's full. Good. There we go. The pond is full. The water is conditioned. And the goldfish seem pretty happy. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Jenna.